In order to integrate this expression here, the exponential expression, you have to first simplify the expression by linearizing the expression itself. So we can rewrite the denominator as a numerator. So we have the integral of 3 exponent x times e exponent negative x dx. So now we can easily solve. But to solve this, we realize that solving this and the exponential base will be somehow a little bit difficult. So we can simplify this expression in terms of this. So we know that the 3 exponent x of 3 itself, 3 can also be written as the ln of e. So it can be written as ln 3. So this can be written as 3 can be written as e exponent ln 3. Okay, so we put this in place of the 3 here. So we have the integral of 3 exponent x times e exponent negative x dx equals the integral of e exponent ln 3. Okay, so all exponent x times e exponent negative x dx. So with this, we can easily solve this and this, since they are of the same base. But we can first simplify this. Okay, so this x, since the x is the exponent of 3, then it becomes a coefficient of the ln. So we have this will be equals to the integral of e exponent x ln 3 times e exponent negative x dx. So we can apply the base, the indices rule. Okay, so we have this implies that the integral of e exponent x ln 3 minus x dx. Okay, so this will be equals to the integral of e. So we can factor out the x. So we have ln 3 minus 1 bracket close x, so dx. Then we can solve now this. So the ln 3 minus 1 becomes the coefficient of what? X. So this is now similar to this expression now. Okay, it's similar to having an integral of e exponent a constant k u du. Okay, so when we integrate this, we'll be getting 1 on k e exponent ku plus c. So the same also applies to this one. So when we integrate this as well, okay, we end up, I have already done I have a tutorial on this. I have a video on this one as well, so we may check that out. So we have this will be now be the integral. Oh, okay, let me copy it. So the integral of e exponent ln 3 minus 1, I'm rewriting it, x dx. So that should be equals to, so we have 1 on the key. So the key is this. So we have ln 3 minus 1 e exponent, same thing, ln 3 minus 1, okay, exponents, that is all exponents, then x plus the constant c. So you have that. You can simplify it, so you can write it well, okay. So we have e exponent ln 3 minus 1 all in brackets x all on ln 3 minus 1. So ln 3 minus 1 plus c. So this should be our answer. Thank you.